good day everyone. I'm gonna show you how to download the virtual box. And now let's go proceed to our installer. Okay, and then we have to go to our installer that we given. Um, and then we have tools and resources, and then here's the virtual box. And then we have to download anyway. Okay. Welcome to the Oracle VirtualBox Setup Wizard. Next. Then um next on interface. Next. Okay, yes. Then next. Click install to begin the installation. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click back and click cancel to exit the wizard. Install. Okay, let's wait the status. And then click the finish button to exit the setup wizard. Finish. Okay. Na-download na natin yung virtual box.